Hey everyone, it's Daniel here from glass.com, and today I'm going to show you how to properly clean your auto glass. That's right, there's actually a special technique for cleaning your glass. Now, you want to save your glass for last whenever you detail your vehicle because overspray from other products can get onto the glass, and it's very, very obvious when there's other stuff on the glass and it's not sparkly clean. So you'll just need two things for this. You'll need a good quality ammonia-free glass cleaner, and you want to use an ammonia-free glass cleaner because the ammonia can actually dry out the rubber trim pieces around the glass. And you'll want either lint-free shop towels or a microfiber cloth. So we'll go ahead and we'll uncap our glass cleaner, give it a quick shake. You're going to take one of your paper towels or one of your microfiber cloths, go ahead and fold it into quarters, and instead of what most people do where they spray the glass cleaner directly onto the glass, we're going to spray this directly onto the towel itself, and this keeps any overspray from getting onto other parts of the vehicle that you've already previously cleaned. Go ahead and start with some up and down motions. Start from the center and work your way out to the side. Just gentle back and forth motions. There might be some tougher spots on the glass that you can kind of scrub at a little bit. And then once you've gone back and forth once, go ahead and flip the cloth over, use the other side to buff it to a nice clean finish. And then once the main portion of the glass is totally clean like that, go ahead and give it another quick spray here. Get some more glass cleaner on our cloth and go around the outside edges to get any remaining debris. You'll also want to lift up the windshield wiper, clean underneath of the wiper blade. That spot harbors a lot of dirt. And then again, once you've done that, go ahead and flip it over and buff it dry with the other side of the cloth. And one other thing you'll want to probably do is go ahead and fold it again, and with the wet side of the towel, wipe down the wiper blade itself, and this will get any debris off of the blade so that it doesn't drag onto the glass itself. All right, so now that we've done this side, you can go ahead and move over to the other side, do the other half of the windshield. After you're done with that, you can do your side lights, your back glass, your sunroof, and don't forget about your mirrors. And it should take you no more than about 5 minutes, and you'll have a perfectly detailed car.